Alrighty, hello. Hope you're feeling great. We are going to get started with our class. My name is Bianca. I'm happy to be here with you all. Let's go ahead and get started in a child's pose. And then if you are just joining, take your time. Let's meet in a child's pose. Place your knees onto the mat. Rest your forehead down. Outstretch your arms. Start to breathe. Cleansing exhales out through the mouth. Quiet down your body. Quiet down your mind. Start your dedicated and intentional breath here through the nose. And then calming, open mouth exhale through the mouth. Let it go. Good, just like that. Trying to relax, trying to find stillness. Breathing in through the nose, filling up the back body. And exhaling, letting everything go here. In your child's pose, try to rest your hips onto the heels. Try to rest your forehead softly onto your mat, and then your arms will melt towards your mat as well. When you find stillness in your body, you can focus on your breath. Deepen those inhales in through the nose. And then this time, exhaling out through the nose. Continue with this breath. Inhale in. Exhale out through the nose. Clear your mind of anything you need to do after this class. Take a moment of presence, stillness, and then just see what you need for this next hour, physically, mentally, emotionally. Right, the next inhale, gently rise up to all fours, find your tabletop. And then exhale, round your back for cat pose. Tuck the chin into your chest. Inhale for cow pose, lift the tail, lift the gaze. Exhale, round. And start to move in your own organic way for your cat and cow. If you're hopping on, just take your time. Getting into your hips, getting into your shoulders. And just unwinding through the back. Start to add hip circles if you haven't already. And feel free to warm up your wrists. Very good. All right, come back to center here. Tuck your left toes behind you and be in a shift forward and back. Notice here the stretch in the calf, the weight in the wrists, warming up that flexion in the wrists. You can also flip your right palm to face up. Let's take a few more breaths here, just gently awakening the back line of your left leg. And then slowly right palm faces down, left knee comes down. And we'll switch. Tuck your right toes back behind you, shift forward and back. Just gently yearning your right heel towards your mat and the space behind you. And then here you have the option to flip your left palm to face up, stretching the wrist, feeling the knuckle bones pressing into the earth here. Having all your weight into your left knee and your right hand. Just feeling the back and forth motion, stretching out through the right calf area. Nice. All right. Place the right knee down, place the left hand down. Take another round of cat-cow. Inhale for cow pose. And then exhale for cat. This time, tuck your toes. Point your knees out to the sides. Walk your hands closer to your body. Find a lifted lifted child's pose. Lift your heels, lift your knees, round your spine here. Outstretch the fingertips in front of you, just squatting low in the back of your mat. Take another couple breaths, maybe lift those heels higher. And then from here, the right hand goes underneath the left. A bit of a thread the needle, just in a different position. Lifting those heels high, look towards the left. Nice, all right, right hand down. You'll take the left hand to the right side. Another few breaths there, even out the weight through the right toes and the left. Good. Walk yourself forward for your downward facing dog. In your down dog, you can start to pedal out your knees, bend one knee, bend the other. And once again, being gentle here, just feeling the back body, feeling the hamstrings, noticing what you need. If you're still walking out your down dog, just press into the palms. Allow your ears to line up with your biceps as you look back. And then if you can manage, hold stillness in your down dog. Yearn your chest towards your thighs, elevate those hips higher. Steady your breath. No matter what's going on around you, just creating a sense of calm and stillness through your body. And then from here, inhale, look forward, walk to the middle of your mat, please. On the inhale, halfway lift, hands to shins. On your exhale, bend your knees a lot, let your chest compress onto the thighs for ragdoll pose. Let your head and neck hang heavy here. You can welcome a sway side to side. Lean some weight into the toes. Maybe, perhaps just allowing the fingertips to reach down. Really good. All right, return to center. Inhale to a halfway lift. Then on your exhale, widen your feet just a bit more. Bend the right knee, right hand down. Inhale the left arm high. So find your twist. Gently twisting through the torso. Allow a deeper bend into your right knee. All right, hey Caitlin, hey Sarah. Exhale back down, bend the left knee. Inhale the right arm high. Left hand comes down, find your gentle twist. Nice work. All right, hands down. Then inhale, hands to hips, rise all the way up. Bring your feet hips width distance, take the hands behind you and find a back bend. Okay, keep pressing the hands into the sacrum. Lift your gaze. Little sips of air. On the exhale, brings you all the way down, forward fold. This time perhaps legs are a bit more straight. Allow the head and neck to hang heavy. Try to reach for your toes here with your hands, or try to press the palms flat onto the mat. Inhale to your halfway lift. Exhale to your plank pose. Step back. Find your tall stance here in your plank. Zip the inner thighs together, lengthen out the legs. Good. Inhale, shift forward, whether on your toes or your knees. Exhale to your chaturanga. Inhale to your up dog or cobra pose. Your choice. Cobra, your thighs are down. Up dog, your thighs are lifted. Hold your up dog or cobra, and then try to relax your shoulders by your ears by bending those elbows. You can explore a gaze side to side here, as you warm up through the spine. Exhale, return your chest to the ground. All right, widen the hands as wide or wider than your mat. Inhale for a lifted cobra. Lift your chest, parallel your feet away from each other, hips with distance, then exhale, lower down. Good, you got two more like that. Inhale, lift, peeling the chest. Exhale, lower. One last. Inhale, lift. Good work. Exhale, release. Feel free to rise up to plank here. And then exhale, downward facing dog. 5 breaths in your down dog. Let something go. Try to relax your neck. Hopefully your palms are flat, fingers are spread wide, hips are lengthening up and back, kneecaps lifting, quads engaged. Good. One breath in. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees. Exhale, hop to the middle. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Hands to hips, rise. Exhale to your back bend, hands to your low back. Press the shoulder blades, or draw the shoulder blades together. Elbows draw together. Chest opens up. Little sips of air here. Grip the toes. Grip the mat with your toes rather. And then exhale, bring it all the way down. Good. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, step back, chaturanga, plant the palms. Inhale for your up dog or cobra. And then exhale to your downward facing dog. Another 5 breaths. Again, 3 more. Two more. One last. Nice. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees. Hop. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up. This time, arms overhead. Exhale for a cactus arm back bend. Stand tall, stand proud. Elbows to the sides here as you breathe. Good work. Inhale, reach the arms high, interlace the hands, leave the pointer finger out, and then take a side bend to the right. Use your hands as support here, just stretching out the left side body. Good. Inhale, center, and then over to the left. One more time each side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. All right, inhale, center. And then exhale, sit down to chair pose, arms behind you. Keep your knees and your feet separated for this first one. Bit more depth in the seat, height in the chest. And then inhale, stand straight up. On the exhale, back bend. Repeating that. Inhale, sit down to chair, arms back. Exhale, sit a little bit deeper. Good. Lighten the toes. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, back bend. And inhale, sit down to chair. Exhale, find depth. Inhale, rise. And exhale, back bend. Good. Inhale, center, interlace the hands, reach arms high, and then take a side bend to the left this time. Just warming up the body, allowing your side body to open up. Inhale, center, and then over to the right. Good. Inhale, center. This time, sit down chair. Listen for the change. Inhale, right knee up, reach high. Exhale to your figure 4. Hands to your heart space. Take some time here. Level out your hips. Bring more weight into your left heel. And then have your hands to your heart space. Find your balance. Nice. Just slowly warming up here. Good. Inhale, right knee high, reach high with your arms up. And then exhale, sit down to your chair with the knees separated. Good. Your next inhale, lift the left knee, arms overhead. Exhale to your figure four. Still finding our balance. Have your hands at your heart space. Breathe. Even out. Spread the right toes. All right, good. Inhale, rise up, arms, knee. And then exhale, sit back down, chair. Inhale, rise up, stand up, gaze up. And exhale, fold forward all the way down. Halfway lift, breathe. Exhale, crow or chaturanga, or both. Take your variation. Inhale for up dog. And then exhale for down dog. If you were in crow, you're still holding it, just take your time, we'll meet at down dog. 5 breaths here. Good, 2 more. Last one. Inhale the right knee high. Bend your right knee. Start to circle out your right knee. Just opening up through the hip. Allowing the scorpion leg here. Lifting the knee higher. Good. Exhale, step forward. Low lunge. Inhale, crescent. Rise high. Find your balance. Lift the arms up overhead. Spread the right toes. Find a bit more depth in your right thigh. And then exhale, warrior 2. Let it open. Find your right heel, left inner arch alignment. Powerful gaze over the right fingers. Good. Explore the depth in the right thigh. Just breathing here. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, extended side angle. Feel free to support your forearm onto your thigh. Maybe reach the left arm up to the sky or forward above your head with your thumb facing up. Inhale, reverse triangle. Reach up and back, straighten the right leg. And listen carefully. Hands towards the right side, the right foot. Bend your right knee, stay low. And then transfer your weight into your right heel for Skandasana. Lift your left toes up, lift your left kneecap up. So you can stay low like this, or stay in a mid-height, lifting up like this. So find your depth, opening up. Good, 1 breath there. And then exhale, forward fold, wide-legged fold in the center of your space. Take some time here, upside down. 5 breaths. Even if you're in this pose, think of lifting the navel up and in. Lean weight over your toes here. Allow the hamstrings to shine open as you deepen your stretch. All right, listen carefully. Inhale, halfway lift. The left hand comes down, the right arm goes high. And then exhale, right hand down. Inhale the left arm. Good. Exhale down. Inhale, rise to stand. Warrior 2 to the right side. Find depth. Inhale, reverse. And then exhale, find your chaturanga. Take your time here. You can do 3-legged. Anything you wish. You could opt out. Inhales for up dog. And exhale, down dog. Another 5 breaths. Have your pointer knuckle, press it down to the mat. You can turn your fingers slightly out, that helps. Really good. Inhale the left leg up. This time bend the left knee. Allow yourself to circle the left knee, opening up the hip. Strengthen both arms. Try to lean more weight into the left hand. And then exhale, step to center. Inhale, crescent lunge, rise. So that left side, left knee bends. Stay low. And allow your right heel to lift a bit higher. Think of full extension through the back leg. And then depth in the front knee, just like in chair pose. Hug your navel in. On the exhale, open up warrior two. Find your alignment here. Arms aligned with one another. Torso over the hips. Nice, and then a little bit more depth into the left thigh while you even out the weight between both front and back leg, front and back arm. Unclench your left toes, hang in there, and then stiffen up and engage your right quad. On the inhale, reverse warrior. Your exhale, extended side angle. Left forearm to your thigh, right arm high or overhead. Feel free to explore some depth by sitting a bit lower into your left hip. Lean back with your chest. Nice. Inhale, reverse triangle. Straighten left leg, straighten left arm. Exhale, both hands lower down to the left side, to the ground. Once you're at the height you want to be, you'll lift your right toes for Skandasana. Mindful that your right knee is bent and protected, right toes point to the sky. We're just getting into inner thighs, inner knee, inner hamstring. Breathing here, supporting yourself at the height you can, such as here or all the way down. A few more breaths. Feel free to gaze towards the right. And then your inhale, breathe. Exhale brings you to the center. So find your forward fold. You can scoot your feet closer together or move it far away. An option here is to hold both of your feet, or your ankles rather, with each hand. Feeling the length through the spine, you can also take a few halfway lifts and lowers. All right, taking the twist a bit deeper now. The right hand holds onto the left toes or the left ankle. Bend your right knee and then inhale, lift up left arm. Exhale down, switch. Left hand holds onto your left toes left hand holds onto your right toes or right ankle, bend the left knee. Inhale the right arm high. Good, exhale down. All right, inhale, rise up, stand. Warrior two, left side. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, take it down, chaturanga. Inhales for up dog, strong body. Exhale, down dog. Good, 5 breaths. Option for dolphin for the next 4 breaths. All right, dolphins, rise back to down dog. Everyone, inhale with right arm high, or right leg high, excuse me. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, crescent lunge. Lift up. All right, now you're here, just hold your crescent lunge. Prepare to transfer the weight to your right foot. On your inhale, lift your left knee high. On the exhale, brings you to figure 4. Hold steady, maybe forearms to your shin, perhaps fingers down. Wherever you are, just allow the hip stretch. hands back to your heart space. Inhale, lift the left knee. On your exhale, warrior three, arms behind you. So airplane pose. Find your balance. All right, release warrior one, left heel down, arms high. Exhale to your pyramid pose, let it go. Take some time here, stretching out your right hamstring. Feel free to flex the foot or keep it pressed down. You can tuck your chin into your chest. You can hold on to blocks or your shin or ankle. Then from here, listen for the change. Bend the right knee and lift up standing splits. Or standing L. On the exhale, the left toes land all the way back. On the inhale, right arm high, find your twist, hip opener, or going for your side plank, step back. Hold strong. Good. Take it home to your downward facing dog, no rush. Upward facing, and then exhale, down dog. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, rise crescent. And then hold and balance. Take your time. Find a bit more depth in your left thigh. Good. When you're ready, full inhale. Exhale, transfer a bit more weight into your left foot. And on the inhale, right knee high. On your exhale to your figure four. Find your balance. Use your gaze to really center you. Take your variation, whether that's hands to shin or arms to shins, fingers down. Hold strong. All right, good. Inhale, rise up, hands to heart. Then the right knee goes high. Exhale, warrior three, arms back. Shoot energy out through your right leg. Right inner thigh engages. Good, chest lifts. And then right heel down. Inhale, rise, warrior one. On your exhale, pyramid pose, let it go. Hold here for a few breaths. Make sure your right heel is down. Take your time. Elongate through the crown of the head. Elongate through your rib cage forward. Good, one more breath here. You can flex the toes if you did on the other side. This time, bend your left knee, plant the left foot. If it was lifted, lift the right leg, standing splits. Hold strong. Center your weight on the left foot. And then the right toes go all the way back. Inhale the left arm high. And then exhale to your side plank step. Or you were in that twist. Hold strong. Right side lat, right side back, right arm. And then exhale, chaturanga, or just opt out. Inhale, up dog. And exhale. Good, down dog. 5 breaths here. Two more. Nice, one more. And exhale, lower the knees. Good work. Inhale, rise up, stand up onto the shins. Exhale, arms behind you, hands to sacrum for our first camel. Love practicing camel on Fridays. Really good for loosening up after the long week. Gaze up. Moving into your version of camel, back bend. One more breath. And then exhale, sit down. One hand to heart, one hand to belly. Just take a break and breathe. A back bend like camel can increase your heart rate, just breathing through it. Three more breaths here. Two more. Last one, feel the belly rise in your hand and let it go. Good. Our second visit to camel. Rise up onto the shins, hands to your low back. Preparing here, engage glutes. Lift the chest, lift the heart, gaze up into your camel. Three more breaths. Good, one more. And an exhale, child's pose. Let it go. Or embryo pose. Up to you. Let it rest. 5 breaths. Good, 2 more. Deepening the inward feeling. Nice, we'll even it out. Inhale, lift, exhale, forearm plank. Glutes stay low. Forearms are really strong. Shoulders are strong. Core is locked in. And then exhale to dolphin. Walk your feet closer to your arms. Your arms. All right, then from here, lower down to your knees. Take a moment, so take your time. So from here, we are going to go into one inversion, so you can go back to dolphin and practice that. One-legged dolphin is an option. Just feeling out your hips, feeling out your strength. And then for those that want to try, we're going to do headstand with a figure 4 variation. So let's go ahead and try to see how it'll work for me today. There we go. All right, so when you're up, you'll slowly cross the leg, just like that. So this one's a bit more advanced than any other of our headstands, but if you are really stable, you can try. All right, so if you were here, you're in dolphin, you're practicing one-legged dolphin, that's great. And everyone slowly sit down for a moment, take a break, find a back bend, and then we're going to repeat that same thing. So if you're practicing dolphin, go back. If you are doing your headstand supported, try the other leg. If you roll out of it, you can safely tuck in. This side's a bit harder for me. Okay, there it is. Inversions, it's really important to breathe. So finish up what you're doing. And then we'll all meet in a downward facing dog. Nice work. Whatever you did is great. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees. Exhale, hop to the middle. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. And inhale to your chair pose. And exhale, stand up. All right, we're gonna go into our first balancing. Let's try our eagle pose, please. Sit down into your chair, wrap the right arm underneath, crossing at the hands or shoulders. Inhale the right leg up and hold. You can lean back and you can go into sleeping eagle if you'd like. Steady your breath. You got it. And then inhale, lift, unwind, circle the arms, and exhale, return to your chair. Switch sides, left arm under, Cross at the hands or shoulders, left leg on top. Good. Just breathe. Allow the glutes to be heavy, and then you can lean forward, sleeping eagle. Good work. Unwind. Inhale. And exhale, hands to heart space. Going into a familiar tree pose, lift the right foot anywhere into the inner thigh, calf, ankle area. Arms overhead. Find your balance. Spread the toes, look straight ahead or up for an added challenge. All right, you can stay here, or trees can go into warrior three, right leg back, maybe even the arms forward here. And exhale, rise it up. Inhale, breathe, and exhale, hands to heart. Switch sides, left leg up. Take your time here, elongate through the crown of the head. Line up your ears and your shoulders. Find your balance, maybe gaze up, maybe arms open. And those of you that wish, take it to warrior three. Perhaps arms forward. And then inhale, rise up, arms high. And exhale, hands to heart space. All right, our third balance here. Hold on to the right foot. Bring the knees together. Feel free going into your dancers or bow pose. Kick the leg back. Feel free to find extension or a back bend or a reach forward. And then inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Other side, left hand holds onto the left foot. Connect the knees. And take your variation. Good. Breathing, inhale. And exhale, release. Good. Hands to heart. All right, so from here, we're going to revisit our figure four pose. Inhale the right arm high, or the arms high, right knee high. Exhale, figure four. All right, so now you have an option. You can take an arm balance if you'd like, and stay here in figure four. If you're taking the arm balance, please return. Let's all go back, figure four. Arms to your hands to heart, rather. All right, listen for the change. When you're ready, take your right hand to your right foot or your right knee and extend the leg forward. And you can go hold here at the knee, or you can go peace fingers at big toe. Hold strong. And exhale, slowly release, arms high. Take a moment, forward fold, let it go. Bend the knees, halfway lift. And then take your peace fingers around the big toes, let it go. Elbows out to the sides. And inhale, upright, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Second side, lift the left knee. Exhale to your figure four, second. Visit here, or third rather, hands to the ground. Or arm balance into your flying squirrel pose, flying pigeon. Just breathe. Patience. And then inhale, rise. Hands to heart. Left hand to left knee, lift up, or left peace fingers to your big toe. Find your balance. Let the leg go, arms up. Widen the legs, exhale, fold. Halfway lift, lengthen. Cross your arms. Hold on to opposite shins and fold. Inhale, halfway lift, release the hands. And exhale, crouch and curl, little ball. It's the center of your mat. Breathe. Lower down to your seat. Extend the legs forward. Create some space. Inhale, lift, arms overhead. And exhale, fold forward. All right, deepening now our hamstring stretch here. Also getting into the low back. Try to hold on to your toes. Just breathe. Each breath, you're trying to lengthen and reach forward with the chest. Again, inhale, lengthen, exhale, reach forward. All right, good. Inhale, lift the chest. Lean back a bit, take a back bend. And inhale, right knee lifts. Right foot to the left side, excuse me. Inhale the left arm. And then exhale, left elbow to right thigh for your seated twist. Slowly unravel and switch. Left foot to the right side. Inhale the right arm high and exhale twist. Just take a few more breaths here. And slowly unwind, bring it back to center. Widen the legs to a V shape. Scoot forward if you need. Inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, fold forward. So this is just a seated variation of our wide-legged fold. You'll notice it targets a different part of the legs. Find some depth here. Maybe your elbows will reach. Actively flex those toes. Keep breathing. And then inhale, lift. Bring your knees together. Find your boat pose. Stay strong. Keep hugging your thighs in towards your chest. And then peace fingers around the big toes. Extend the legs if you can. You can have a bit of a bend like this, or start to play with trying to straighten. And then slowly release the toes lower to your half boat onto the sacrum. And then exhale, lift. 10 more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Exhale. 8. 7. Nice. 6. Almost there. 5. You can support yourself with your hands if you need. 4. 3. Good. Last 2. Last 1. And good. Feet down. Shift forward. Feet together, knees wide. And take some time here, stretching the inner thighs. And from here, sit up, extend the legs, take a fish pose, elbows down, supported fish rather. Good, elbows down, lift the head, point the toes, allow the back to arch here, and lift yourself up. Good, jump through, take a chaturanga, and we'll head in down dog, or we'll meet in down dog. Nice work. From there, we will take our pigeon pose, right leg up. Exhale to pigeon, slide the right shin down. We've been working on opening up our hips today, a bit of back bend as well. Elongate the left leg behind you. There we go. Let yourself rest. Even out the weight through both of your hips. Breathing in to your outer hip. And then very slowly rise up. Tuck your left toes, send the right leg high. In your exhale, you can flip your dog here. And exhale back to down dog. Other side, inhale the left leg. Exhale to your pigeon pose. It doesn't matter how high that shin goes, focus on the feeling you want in the outer hip. If you want, you can descend. Just keep breathing there. Relax your face, just try to relax your whole body. Breathe deeply, another few breaths in the stretch. And inhale, lift, plant the palms, tuck the right toes. Inhale, left leg. And then exhale, flip your dog, rotate your toes. Good, breathe. And then exhale, downward dog. Inhale, look forward, jump through. And let's all make our way onto our backs. Now that you're here, send the legs up to the sky, start to bicycle the knees. One way and the other. Alright, then here, lift the legs, find a happy baby. And feel free to sway side to side. Even it out to the center, wrap your right knee on top of the left. Hold on to the outer feet if you can. Deepening the outer hip stretch here. Try to rest your sacrum down and try to rest your head as well. Circle the legs, let it go, switch. Left leg on top of the right and holding on to the outer feet. Great. Unwind, please. Plant your feet down. Scoot back, or scoot your fingertips down rather, and prepare for bridge pose. Inhale, lift the hips high. Even out your heels, your fingertips, shoulders. Exhale, lower down. All right, you got one more bridge or go into wheel pose, your choice. Breathing here and slowly unwind. Last pose here, draw the knees into your chest, legs up the wall, send the legs all the way up, flex and point, just circle out the ankles. And then once again, wrap the right knee on top, then bring both knees to the left to bring your arms out to a T, to your cross-legged supine twist, gaze to the right. Inhale, bring it in. Wrap the left knee on top, both knees to the right, gaze left. Good, inhale, center, please. Give yourself a big hug. Thank you for showing up. And then exhale to your well-deserved Shavasana. Lay down, extend the arms, extend the legs. Palms face up. Take a deep breath in. Cleansing exhale, let it go. Allowing relaxation to take over now. Soften your face. Unclench your jaw. Close the eyes. Palms up to receive, palms down for grounding. And laying here in relaxation for a few moments. Take a deeper inhale here. Audible exhale, let it go. Again, breathe in and breathe out. On the inhale, reach the arms up overhead, big stretch. And then hug your knees into your chest, slowly roll to your left side. And when you are ready, you'll rise up to your seat. Inhale, lift the arms up. We'll exhale, take a seated twist over to the right. Inhale, center. Seated twist to the left. Good. Inhale, center. And exhale, we bow forward, sealing in our practice. From my heart to yours, namaste. Thank you all. Hope that was great for your hips and your back.